Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we will do some more questions of your textbook exercise 5.2. Yesterday in the previous lecture we have done the part number first. Now we will do part number second, or part number fourth we will rather do. 1 plus sec a. Part number second is easy. If you cannot do this, if you find any difficulty in doing this, please mention it in the comment box and I will show you this part also. 1 plus sec a divided by sec a, we have to prove that this should be equal to sine square a divided by 1 minus cos of a. Now how to do this? Simple. I already told you that either you can prove this part, this side to this side, or this side to this side. Let us take this side. 1 plus sec a divided by sec a, this equals 1 plus sec is reciprocal of what? Sec is reciprocal of cos. So what is reciprocal? What is reciprocal of 2? It is 1 by 2. Reciprocal means 1 by. So similarly, when sec is reciprocal of cos, we can write it 1 by cos a. Here we can divide it by 1. As you know, every single number we can divide it by 1. This is sec. Again we can write it 1 by sec a. Now take a look. Here we will do cross multiply. 1 into 1, this is 1, plus cos a into 1 cos a divided by cos a into 1 cos a whole divided by, sorry, it is here 1 by cos a, I am sorry, 1 by cos a whole divided by 1 by cos a. Now it will further equals, which is further equal to 1 plus cos a divided by cos a into, this is 1 by cos a. I already told you that divide means multiply by multiplicative inverse. 1 by cos a, what would be its multiplicative inverse? It will be cos a divided by 1. This cos a will cancel out. Now we are left with 1 plus cos of a. But in the answer, in the we are supposed to prove this part should be equal to this, but we are left only with this. So we rationalize it. We will rationalize it. We will multiply it by opposite sign. This is 1 plus, we will write it 1 minus cos a divided by 1 minus cos a. Here we can put it divided by 1. Now this is, you know, the algebraic identity, a plus b into a minus b. This is a square minus b square. 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a, it would be equals 1 square, that is 1 minus cos square a plus b into a minus b. Here this is as it is 1 minus cos a. Now again, you know, in the first identity, when we were talking about sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1, I told you there that we can change by making them sub identities. Have a look again. Sine square a or sine square theta plus cos square theta or cos square a is equal to 1. So I told you that we can transfer this sine square a, this equals 1 minus cos square a. What we did, transfer this plus cos square a here minus, here it becomes minus cos square a. So 1 minus cos square a equals what? It is sine square a. This is sine square a divided by 1 minus cos a. This is the question. So we are done with this part. I hope you will understand it. Now we will do some more parts. Before that, pause the video to note it down. So another part is, we will do, this is root 1 plus sine a divided by 1 minus sine a. We have to prove this part equals sec a plus tan a. Sec a plus tan a. How do you do this? Have a look. So simple. We will take LHS. This is 1 plus sine a divided by 1 minus sine A. Now what we will do is we will rationalize it in the root, in square root. So this is 1 minus sine A. You know, if you have read the process of rationalization, we multiply with opposite sign. If here it had been plus, here we will have multiply it by then 1 plus. Here this is 1 minus, we will multiply it by 1 plus divided by 1 plus. So have a look. This is 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A. What is it? What it is equal to? 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A. If a same quantity is multiplied it by itself 2 times, it is square. For example, we have x into x square, a into a square, b into b square, y into y square. In the similar fashion, 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A, this will be equal as 1 plus sine A whole square, multiplied because it has been multiplied by twice. So 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A, this will be equal as 1 plus sine A whole square. Now in the denominator, have a look. This is 1 minus sine A, 1 plus sine A minus b into a plus b. It is algebraic identity, you know it very well. A minus b into a plus b, this equals a square minus b square. This is very useful identity. Frequently it has been used in our questions, and it is, you must remember it. So 1 minus sine A into 1 plus sine A, this will be equal as 1 square, that is 1 minus sine square A. So in the next step we will do, this is 1 plus sine A, this is 1 plus sine A as it is. Now again use, remember, recall the first identity, 1 minus sine square A. What is it? It is equal to what? It is equal to cos square A. How? Have a look. Sine square A, I can show you, plus cos square A, this equals 1. Transfer the sine square A. Cos square A equals 1 minus sine. In the previous that lecture I already told you, sometimes we will transfer this, replace this by this or this by this as per our requirement. This is 1 minus sine A, so this is equals what? 1 minus sine square A, this equals cos square A. This is cos square A. Now here this is square, this is square. We can take only one square and write in this way, 1 plus sine A divided by cos A whole square. Can we do this? Of course we can. 1 plus sine A divided by cos A whole square. Now this square root will cancel out. Why this square root cancel out? Take a look. So if you have x square in root, I will show you, you just cancel out this. But in the actual case, this is not like this. Actual is x square, the value of square root is 1 by 2. This form is known as the radical form. When we convert radical form into the exponential form, we will write this 1 by 2. Actually this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So in quick manner we cancel simply this and this goes. Actually actual process is this. So we are left with here, when this will cancel out, we are left with 1 plus sine A divided by cos of A. Now this cos A, this is divide on to the both the numbers, to both the quantities, 1 as well as sine A. So we can write it 1 by cos A plus sine A divided by cos A. 1 by cos A is what? 1 by cos means, I already told you, what do we mean by 1 by? 1 by means reciprocal. What is reciprocal of cos? This equals sec A plus sine A divided by cos A, this equals tan A. So we are done. We are what we were supposed to prove. We proved this question. I hope you will understand it. If you still find any difficulty, any if you can't understand this, So please tell me, mention it in the comment box. I will do this again. I will clear your doubt. I hope you will understand it. So we will do some more questions related to this. Before that, pause the video to note it down. Another question is sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos of theta. This should be equals, we have to prove that this equals tan theta. Similar, have a look. So here this is sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta. We will take sine outside. Sine is common to both the quantities. Take sine outside. What we have left here, when whole sine theta we have taken outside, so here we are left with 1. This was cube, 1 sine theta you are taken outside, so it is twice sine square theta. Here it is 2 cos cube. Take cos outside. This is 2, this was cos cube. When you took 1 cos outside, we are left with cos square minus 1, because this whole quantity you have taken outside. Now take a look. This is sine by cos. What is sine by cos? Sine by cos is tan. So tan we find tan, but these quantities must cancel out, because these quantities seem different quantities. So what we will do is, have a look. This is 1 minus 2. You know that sine square theta by identity first equals 1 minus cos square theta. You know it. I already explained it various times. So this is cos square twice cos square theta minus 1. This is tan of theta. This is 1 multiplied by minus 2. This is minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 cos square theta whole divided by twice cos square theta minus 1. So this equals tan of theta. This is twice cos square theta. This is 1 minus 2. This is minus 1. So in the denominator we have twice cos square theta minus 1. So this quantity is same. You can cancel out this. You are left with tan of theta. So in this way we have done this question. I hope you will understand it. Thank you class.